Okay, so this is the, I believe you say OUAI, thick hair treatment mask. It works awesome. I have really, really thick, kind of wavy, curly hair. And this left my hair feeling really nice and hydrated. It kind of smoothed out some of the frizzies. It's super rich and thick. You can see the consistency. You know, I can dab on it and you don't even get much out because I mean, it's super thick. So this should last quite a while. It's a pretty good size container. It has a really nice, pleasant smell to it. It's not too heavily perfumed, but it does have a scent. The packaging is nice. I like that it comes with this, you know, little cover on it, so you know that it hasn't been tampered with. You have directions, ingredients, almond, macadamia, and olive oils. Yeah, so I really like it. I try to leave it on in the shower for, you know, 10 minutes or so. And it's a good once in a while treatment. So definitely recommend. Try it out.